Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your image from the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. Here it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on this picture, and after it loads, and after we start and finish the editing process, we can share the picture that we got. In the top right corner, we find three little dots that are connected. We tap on this, and here there is a share button. If we tap on share, then the picture is going to be loaded, and here we can select the people and the application that we want to share this image to. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.